Hi, this video is on the question which was asked to me on farmers because there are a lot of questions. So I thought video would be a better thing to do. How was my experience at farmers' protest, and what do you think are farmers right? What do you think is the government right? I believe that government is very wrong in this step. Why? Because देश का अन्नदाता सड़कों पर है. Look at their families. Look at their plight. Where are you? Come on, wake up. Where was Amit Shah in all this? Why was he only seen in Bengal? When the farmers are not happy, why not to take back the bill? Even if you are not a journalist, I would want you to go to Tikri border, to Singhu border, to Gazipur border and see कि किस तादाद में किसान वहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, अपनी मांग पर डटे हुए हैं. इतने दिन हो गए हैं प्रोटेस्ट को, बट देयर फैमिलीज आर ऑल सफरिंग. देश का अन्नदाता सफ़र कर रहा है. एंड वेयर आर यू आप नए संसद की पूजा कर रहे हैं, उसका भूमि पूजन चल रहा है, किसानों को परेशानी हो रही है, उनमें तकलीफ. See, there's no assurance. The farmers don't have the assurance that their MSP would not be affected by the Krishi bill that has been passed by the central government. And while you were passing the bill, what was the hurry? What was the rush to do that? Why did you not consult any Kisan union before making the bill? Where was the opposition in all this? I also believe that this is one of the biggest failure of opposition, which opposition could have taken it to a better level. So it all started post-lockdown when Rahul Gandhi started this from Punjab, but then it was taken up by Akali Dal, and the Congress is completely lost in this. You don't see Congress anywhere in this, which is one of the biggest setback for the party itself. Also, किसानों का ये कहना है कि जब बिल आप हमारे लिए लेकर आए थे, आप कह रहे हैं किसान हित के लिए है और किसान ही इससे नाखुश है, तो आप इसे वापस क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो? एमएसपी को लेकर जो डर है किसानों में, आप उसे ख़त्म कीजिए. आप वो ख़त्म करने में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हैं. आप भले ही कितनी जागरूकता अभियान चला ले, बट देयर इज़ अ फियर अमंग फार्मर्स. देश का अन्नदाता सड़कों पर है, एंड द गवर्नमेंट इज़ नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. ऑल्सो दिस government is being portrayed as Kisan Virodi, which I think it certainly would not want. Where was the government when in March all the farmers were, all the laborers and farmers were going back to their own towns? Where was the government then? What was the government doing then? Where was Amit Shah then? Amit Shah, I couldn't see him in the entire COVID period. He was only seen in Bengal. Why? Because Bengal has elections next year. And this is one of the biggest failure of central government. Why did the government not consult any Kisan union before making the bill? Why was there no opposition involved in this? What was the hurry? Why in a lockdown did the central government pass this bill when the farmers are really not happy with this? Look at their families. They're all on roads. If you visit Tikri border or Gazipur or Singhu border, you will understand what it is to see, to talk. When I went to cover this, all I could gaze was they want their MSP. They want जितने भी कृषि कानून लाए गए हैं सरकार की तरफ से, उन कानूनों को वापस लेने की मांग की जा रही है, और वो तब तक डटे रहेंगे जब तक कृषि कानून वापस नहीं लिया जाए. इन लास्ट 3 decades दिस इज द सेकेंड बिग आंदोलन जिसे किसान आंदोलन देखने को मिला है. लास्ट मुझे याद है 1988 में हुआ था, उसके बाद ये अभी हो रहा है. तो द गवर्नमेंट नीड्स टू एक्ट ऑन इट, एंड इट नीड्स टू टेक अ बेटर एंड बिगर स्टेप टुवर्ड्स दिस.